goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes?
Hey guys, so we are leaving. I'm leaving tomorrow. We're actually both leaving tomorrow. Are you about to roll? Well, yeah. I'm leaving tomorrow. No. See, superstar, she's hiding. Anyway, we're both leaving tomorrow. We came to get travel-sized items for her. So when you get to Walmart, there's a travel-sized place where you can get like wipes, lotion, soap, shower gel and everything. Yeah, these are the items. English is hard, but yeah, we came to do that. We just got off. We just came back from the car wash and CVS. What else are we doing, Aladi? Basically everything. I leave tomorrow, so I'm not doing anything much.
And I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass.
Hey guys, we just got back from Walmart and I'm about to make pasta so we can have dinner. We're about to have a cozy little girls' night in because it's my last night here. So yeah, vacation has come to an end. I don't know how I feel about that. I'm not ready. I'm not ready to go and see real life. I'm not going to lie. But yeah, let's make pasta, shall we? I have some fish left from the last time we grilled, so I guess it's going to be like fish inspired pasta.
You need to drink more
I
water
forgot.
to stay
I knew I forgot on the onion. You don't have onion. And garlic and ginger. God, what am I even cooking with? There's no onion.
My Jolie, oh my Jolie. Ah yeah, eh. Every time I come around you, baby girl, something doesn't feel the same. You said that I'm changing, but it's really you. I see how you play those games. Wifey type for a main man. A queen can make moves, a king can't. Snatch you up, now you taking. Gave you bricks, now you building a wall up, wall up. Lately you and I been all love, all love. I don't know what's up with our love, you forgetting all about us, oh. My Jolie, oh my Jolie, where are you? When I need you the most, you still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting, girl you got me. Called your bluffing, made you something, now you talking. Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Telling me to cool it off, cool it off. How can I cool it off, cool it off? Oh, my Jolie, oh my Jolie. My Jolie, oh my Jolie. You don't turn on me now. You don't get no time for me now, babe. Got him on the.
So yes, so we're about to eat. We'll do a test. Aladu will let us know how that tastes. Then we are going to do skincare and we're going to see a movie have drinks. Just a cozy girls' night in. You know the vibes. You know the vibes.
Yeah, because we've been walking.
As in,
it's like, Noka is the walking glass, babe. Like
you guys, I would not advise you to take a vacation while working. Like I thought that it would make sense because I'm working from home, right? But I wish I took some days off.
Yeah, she's always on the computer.
Yeah,
me too. I'm here.
I wouldn't recommend. Like
bedroom.
We were both. We just took. Everybody just had their own space because obviously we would have meetings. So everybody, I was in the room. At least she gave me the room with her. Sorry, don't.
She's my guest. So
she gave me the room with her fancy standing desk. I was just like, ooh. When I'm sitting on the tile, I'll just press the button. Just
you were using this.
Of course, I'm used to luxury. It's luxurious stuff.
Baby, I just specifically told them.
Exactly. They asked that, do you want one?
Me, they didn't ask me. I was not.
Are you serious? They asked, do you want one? I was like, yes, please, I want one. And I resumed so late, so someone took it, so I couldn't say anything.
Please. It looks yummy.
Thank you.
Rebound, but it's only you that I like, babe. Tout ce que j'ai fait, c'était pour toi. Sur le haut parle, mais t'écoutes pas. Tu me vois crever, mais tu bouges pas. Pourquoi? Whoa, yo, wall up. You can't even get the scars up. For us, I don't know what's up with our love. Our love, you're forgetting all about us. Oh.
Guys, this is good. Like restaurant standard. Everything. The spag is like high class. This spaghetti is not your mate. No, you finish work.
Bougie. Guys, so I just got done with the food and I made drinks. Nothing special. I wish I had mint. I should have bought mint when I went to Walmart.
Noka is Madame Aesthetic.
It's not aesthetic. I just love luxury.
And it's nice in
luxury life.
At least it looks
great, right?
Aesthetically pleasing.
Thank
and then
you.
It's nice.
Thank you. It's not just fake. One side. So we have our mask here. It's a three-step sheet mask. We're going to have this on while watching movie and eating. But as you can see, some people here are already almost done with their food. Just gonna wash your hands and put our mask.
I can't live with booze.
I'm going to wash my hands.
My Jolie, oh my Jolie, where you been? When I need you the most, you still MIA. This is murder, heart is melting, girl you got me. This is called the bluffing, made you something, now you talking. I call you bluffing, telling me to cool it up.
Good morning, it's currently, what's time? 6:20. My flight is at 7:39. What time is the flight?
7:15.
Yeah, and we're here. Last seconds actually. I'm going to miss you so much. It was such a nice trip.
How can I cool it up? Telling me to cool it up. How can I cool it up? My Jolie, oh my Jolie. Girl, you got me. Called your bluffing, made you something. Now you talking. Telling me to cool it up. How can I cool it up? Telling me to cool it up. How can I cool it up? I don't know how to cool it off. My Jolie, oh my Jolie.
So yeah. She just found her gate. I'm about to go look for mine. Yeah. She's 12 and I'm 13, but it doesn't make sense because we can't see. There's 12 and there's 14, but there's no 13.
So I get see 13 there.
Where? Oh, okay. Alright. Let me go. You're going to check in on it? Okay, you're going to wait. What time does your boarding start?
6:40.
Okay. Bye, baby.
Like this.
It looks like. It looks like. That was fast.
You will not stay with me small.
What time is? Let me check. What time is my body?
7:05.
Oh, okay. Then let me stay with you.
Small.
Change of plans. I have more time, so she begged me to stay with her.
Yes.
So, yeah.
I be begging, Bambiala.
See the way you beg me. Hey guys, so I'm currently at the airport. I went to check my gate. I already checked Aladi's gate. I wanted to make sure that mine hasn't boarded yet. I have 37 minutes, so I'm going back to chill with her. Oh my god. we've been up since 4 a.m. so it's been a crazy ass day. But yeah, my flight is to Dallas Fort Worth, and I'm meant to get there at 11. Then I'll leave to Jackson Airport at 12, something like that. But yeah, this trip has come to an end. I feel well rested and ready to go home. And
this is the final boarding call here for you.
Any last words to the people on my channel?
Noka, thank you for coming. Thank you so
Welcome
much.
aboard, family travel.
If you know, you know. Thank you. I really appreciate it. And everyone, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment on this video.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
I'm going to miss you.
Oh, me too. Fun times. This vacation was so short. Let's see what they have in store for us.
We have to travel.
Yeah.
We have to.
Guaranteed. If you're in the boarding area, please click the using button center on center.
Alright. Bye, baby.
Bye.